So I'm working as a Global Advancement Director at Bentley Systems and solving the toughest problems in the world regarding water. So we are offering software solutions for planning, designing, and operating sustainable water systems, which is impacting sustainable environment, sustaining the economy, and improving the quality of life of people. Some of the toughest challenges we are facing with the water utilities, our users around the globe, is water security, first of all. According to some research, 60% of the global water demand will grow until 2030. So water security is really a key topic that we are addressing currently. On the other hand, leakages and non-revenue water are very high across the globe, so ranging between 45 and 50%. And in order to reduce the water losses throughout the network, Bentley provides innovative software technologies to pinpoint, locate leaks, but also improve the performance of the assets across the complete life cycle. And finally, I would like to mention, of course, the climate change is posing a risk in terms of resilience of the infrastructure. We see more extreme events in terms of rainfall, but also droughts, which are playing across the world. And with our technology, we can, of course, assess the risk and the resilience of the infrastructure in order to improve it for the generations to come. Bentley is investing heavily in the water infrastructure across the complete life cycle. We have software solutions which are addressing multidisciplinary design, then constructing and also operating any type of potable water systems, drinking water supply, then wastewater network and collection systems, and finally storm drainage systems as well. Recently, we also launched a solution for dam monitoring, which is also improving the water resources globally as well, because dams are important structures, mega structures, which are holding the water, but also producing renewable electricity as well. And Bentley spans across the complete life cycle of the infrastructure. So we have a lot of products, just to mention a few. For example, our digital twin for managing water networks is called WaterSight, and it provides visibility and insights in the water network, and also providing decision support on how optimally we can operate the water throughout the complete life cycle, while saving electricity, finding leaks, and also providing decision support for the operators to operate the infrastructure. So I would like to mention a couple of case studies around the globe. Obviously, we are here in Amsterdam. I would like to mention a home case study first. Let's start with Rotterdam. So Rotterdam Water Company Evidis has implemented some of the Bentley technology for hydraulic modeling and digital twin WaterSight, which is shown on the screen as well, which is for improvement of the water network as well. So they're now scaling up. Their target is to improve carbon footprint and become carbon neutral till 2025. Really, ambitious goal. And with the use of Bentley technology, they managed to optimize the network and save around 30% of electricity costs throughout the complete life cycle. And scaling up that to a 2.2 million population in Rotterdam, it's now their objective. And we are discussing currently this project on the show. Another example I want to mention is, for example, Jal Jeevan mission in India. L&T Construction is working with the government in order to provide safe and affordable drinking water to the rural areas in India. So recently they finalized a project which is delivering around 8,000 kilometers of pipeline to the rural areas, to the homes, and around 700 reservoirs, which is providing continuous water supply in a safe, secure, and affordable manner to various states in India as well. And they finalized the project using the Bentley construction technologies like Synchro and iTwin platform in order to deliver multidisciplinary design before the schedule. And final case study I want to mention is Sacramento Echo Water Project. So this is in United States, obviously, our home base. We are a US-based company. Echo Water Project is aiming of improving the wastewater treatment infrastructure by treating 180 million of gallons cubic wastewater daily. So by improving the complete infrastructure, they were able to deliver wastewater installations and wastewater treatment plants ahead of the schedule, saving around 400 million of taxpayer money, which is invested in other water infrastructure as well.